हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड आफ्टरनून हो गया हमारा तो ये। So how's everyone in the chat? चल जी थोड़ा एनालिसिस शुरू करें आज का। ओके सो न्यूज़ फर्स्ट। आज की न्यूज़ में यूएस डॉलर की कोई न्यूज़ नहीं है आज अभी। येलो फोल्डर देखते कोई है आज। येलो फोल्डर 3 PM, तो कोई येलो फोल्डर भी नहीं है रास्ते में। तो आज न्यूज़ है कैट की न्यूज़ है, सीपीआई है। आई थिंक कैट की न्यूज़ पे जो सीपीआई होती है आई थिंक गोल्ड मूव कर सकता है। अभी मूव कर नहीं रहा कुछ, तो थोड़ा टाइम हाफ एन आवर बचा थे या हाफ एन आवर 40 मिनट्स बचा। 40 मिनट्स में न्यूज़ होगी तो गोल्ड शुड होपफुली मूव। अगर हम 50 मिनट पे जाके देखें तो यस बारकोड कर रहा है ऊपर नीचे अभी। तो 40 मिनट में न्यूज़ आई थिंक सेटअप उसके बाद देखेगी जब न्यूज़ हो जाएगी हमारी। जब तक थोड़ा एनालिसिस करता हम डे का देख लेते हैं पहले। डे कहाँ ख़त्म हुआ है। चलिए डे का देखा जाए तो डे है एक रेंज में। डे अब आपको दिख रहा होगा ये एक रेंज यहाँ है और एक रेंज आप यहाँ लगा लो इधर कहीं। तो ये इस रेंज के अंदर जा रहा है ऊपर, ऊपर से नीचे आया फिर ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है यहाँ पे। इस रेंज में अटका हुआ है डेली। और इसी ये तो बहुत हफ्तों की कैंडल्स है, यहाँ डेलीज है। ये कैंडल हर एक डे की है। तो यहाँ पे अभी अटका हुआ है। हाँ यहाँ से निकला था अभी थोड़ी देर पहले, कुछ दिन पहले, लेकिन वापसी अब रेंज के अंदर घुस रहा है। तो अब वापसी चांस है रेंज के अंदर जाए। रेंज का मतलब यह है कि अब नेक्स्ट टारगेट डेली साइड पे हम 2055 को टारगेट कर सकते हैं बाई साइड के लिए। और क्योंकि अभी बुलिश चल रहा है तो हम कोशिश करेंगे कोई बुलिश ट्रेड पकड़े। लेकिन सेल्स भी मिल सकती है यहाँ पे। सेल्स के लिए आई थिंक देखो, क्योंकि लास्ट डे कहाँ ख़त्म हुआ है। लास्ट डे ना इसके नीचे बन हुआ है, इस लाइन के नीचे 2019.1 के नीचे बन हुआ है लास्ट डेली, 2019 के नीचे। और ये वाली डे दूसरी यानी इस डे का चांस है कि यहाँ से रिजेक्ट कर सकता है नीचे जाने के लिए, क्योंकि ये रेंज के अंदर बंद नहीं हुआ। यहाँ एक रेंज बनी हुई है, इसके अंदर बंद नहीं हुआ अभी तक। और ये आज डे जब खत्म होगा तो पता चलेगा कहाँ बंद होगा। उसके अलावा आई थिंक आज का डेली का टारगेट हम अचीव कर सकते हैं। आई थिंक 2036.5 बाई साइड के लिए डेली टारगेट ले सकते हैं। अगर हम 22 में बैठेंगे तो 2036.5 हमारा डेली टारगेट होगा। और सेल्स के लिए हमें छोटे टाइम फ्रेम में जाना चाहिए, कोई सेल्स पोजीशन ढूंढने के लिए। ऑन 4 आवर हमारा 4 आवर पे है चैट में कोई है हबीबी आर यू देयर? हबीबी।
Hello?
Okay, so as I was saying, we'll be looking at 2036.5 for the daily target, and for sales we'll be looking at 2018 as our target to go down. We'll come down to the 4 hour for now and try and find any position for sales. So if 4 hour closes, I think there's a line here. Okay, there's a range here. 4 hour closing below this. There's a chance we can see some consolidation on the 4 hours, so we can probably look for sales. But I think any closure above 2029, let's say 2030, any closure above 2030 will be good for buy sub. So we can mark this as our buy line. And for sales, we're probably looking. We'll probably wait for the news to see how news reacts, because sales, I think we can pick up sales anywhere in this range. And yes, buys target will be 2037. So we got a good 60-70 pip range here. Yeah, 60 pips for buy sub. We got like half an hour in news now, so we can just wait it up. Let's just come down to 1 hour and see if we can find something else here. Right. So there's a good zone here. I think for sales we can probably look for. Yeah, it looks like sales below this could be good. So we're gonna remove the buy. Waiting, it's a good zone here, right? It's like good. I think there's like good supply here to sales in this zone. for that we have to come to 4 hour. 4 hour wick here, sells. Wick up here, sells, wick up here. Yeah, so 2037 area is good for sells. So we can probably look for buys going up, and then we can look for sells coming back down. Where's the box? Alright, for now, look for buys above this. Wait for the 1 hour to close out. This is going to be our target. This is going to be our target. We'll make this box a bit big, more darker. 42%, yeah. Alright. I think today could be a bit quiet day if the news doesn't push much. We'll probably have to call it a bit early today because I don't think the market will move after news much. We'll see. So news in half an hour. We'll just wait for that. Then we'll see. We'll see where the the news makes the push. For CAD, I think good news for CAD will be good for gold, I think, as well. Right, Shadows?
Yeah.
Yeah, good CAD news will be bullish on gold as well because dollar will drop. Okay. The dollar dropping will be good. Did you make this box? Where is your block?
मैं तो उर्दू में बोलूँ ना भाई, तू अंग्रेज है।
अबे तो भी बोल ले। Mix है, mix है।
My English is dying. And my English is not living.
It's a problem when you talk, you know, like तुमसे बात करता हूँ तो मुश्किल आता है इंग्लिश बोलना, पता नहीं क्यों। आदत नहीं है ना। Anyway.
Personally, if you ask me, I am looking for the sell zones. These are my sell zones. I have marked the supply area, please. Personally, the reason is that if you see the backward, you can see a really good push down. Reason was the CPI news. And that's why I have marked it as a supply zone, because I believe after that it should take any retracement. But the market is bullish, the momentum is bullish. So I'm waiting for a confluence, or you can say 2 to 3 confluence. I'm waiting for that. If I will get it, I will looking for the sell. But if anyone wants to try the sell, they can look after it because the stop loss is around 40 to 41 pips. If I have to measure it, so it's bigger. That's why I'm not taking it. I am just waiting for market to at least make a reaction, because I'm waiting on a smaller time frame at around 5 minutes. I'm waiting for market to change its structure. If
yeah,
the market will change,
I think you're just gonna wait for the news now. I don't think market will move to news.
No, market will react it, but I believe if we have to look after the market, I don't think so. That's a very strong area for market to go up. That's a very strong area. If market rejected that area, I think so it should go above the 240. Reason is that there's a very strong area to reject the market. That's why I'm looking at it as a supply zone area, because there is pretty much supply over here, and I believe market will push it down. That's my personal thought. I believe the news for CAD will be in favor, and US economy will get affected, and then it will get benefit, I believe, and gold should dump. I probably think that gold should dump it. And that's a very strong area. I'm just waiting for a 5-minute retracement, but I believe I will get it after news, because it have to create some reactions. And if you are waiting, just like yesterday, there was a trade which I didn't give reason for the volume, but if you actually look at that trade, you will get an idea that it was pretty much market touch the entry and it goes. I'm going to mark that area in 15 minutes on gold, so you will get an idea of which trade I was talking about. 15-minute time frame.
I think that was GJ.
No, on a gold.
It was on gold? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, from here.
Yesterday it was a trade. No, it was a trade. I got it.
There's buys from here.
No, actually, it was pretty much from you.
Yeah.
This was not trading. No, not exactly this one. Give me one sec. Just have to see my area in gold. Yeah. Okay. So the area which I have given for trading, just give me one sec. I'm not.
Mm.
One day yesterday it was.
Let you mark. I think daily target is good here.
It was somewhere like this. The trade area was like, if you see it, it was this much. I believe that was the area. I don't exactly remember because I haven't marked it, but I was pretty much sure this was the area.
Yeah, entry was here on the bottom wick.
Yeah. So it was pretty much a bullish area. And I believe market closed it pretty much hard. So yeah. But right now, if personally you will ask me, I'm looking at as a sell zone area, but I don't know what will be the news. How will the news react? But this is my personal area where I want market to retrace it somewhere down. If
Right.
you open it on if
Okay.
you open it on a 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see that market has retraced and it has now moved up. It's an uptrend direction. But this is the strong area where market could reject, and I am pretty much seeing that market is rejecting that area. But before news, I don't think so. I have any idea where the market will go because news is in half an hour. So I guess everybody has to wait pretty much for the news and see how the market reacts. And after the news, we will get the exact direction where the market is moving, and that will be much easy case for us to know that where we have to take the trade. Because personally, if everyone is looking for the sell side or buy side, so I will look for the sell side because I goes against the trend. Because I'm looking, obviously, I look after the retracement. Sometimes I look for the trend, but mostly I look for the retracement area because the retracement area pretty much gives you the good tips. So this is the area which I will be looking after, but we have to wait at least till the news.
Yeah, I
The
think
demand is,
I think we can look for buys when the order block breaks to go up,
yeah,
but
there's
not.
a strong area if it
Yeah.
breaks. I
So
believe
yeah,
it
so
will
if the
pretty
order
much
block
go up.
breaks, we get closure above the 2029.6. We can probably look for buys, but we'll wait for 1 hour close after the news, I think, or maybe 30-minute close. But that will be
Yeah,
1 hour close anyway. So yeah, we
we
gotta wait for the
actually
news
need
right now.
we actually need to, if we are looking for sales, but we have to look for the structure to shift because we can't trade without waiting for structure to break. That will pretty much not an idea for me. My trade idea is my means my strategy is to look after the. We have to wait for the news, and after that, we will wait on 5 minutes or 1 minute to look after the change of character or the market structure should shift for sell side, and then we will look for the sell opportunity. And I hope today we will get any opportunity. This is all. आगे चीजें दिखा.
Yeah, let's watch GJ now.
Yeah.
GJ.
So right now, as you can pretty much see that how GJ's reaction, and it's literally a barcode. It's 50 pips up, 50 pips down, and I don't think so. That's a area where I have to trade. I'm not giving exactly the trade idea, but if you open the 15-minute chart, I can show you one trade which I was trading. 15-minute chart. I am marking it on the area. Just give me a second. I'm marking the.
Ah, shit, I'm reading it.
Give me a second. Yeah. The area was. Uh, 15-minute time frame. Sorry, I was. 15-minute time frame.
कहाँ connect हुआ है ना empty.
So I have marked the area. If you can see that. Market, you can see it's a clear barcode area. So I can't trade on this area, but this was my trade idea, which I don't want to give personally because everybody will take it, and I don't think so. The market, if you see, uh, it has given the 23 pips from the target, but I was not very much, what you can say, pretty much convinced that this trade will work. Reason is that you can see that market is not reacting anyway because there is no news for JBP or JPY at this week. So market has not pretty much volume. So I was expecting it should go up that above area and from where we can look for sell side, but market is not reacting. But if anyone want 20 pips or 23 pips, so these are some areas. But I'm not trading personally. I'm just waiting for big picture, not for a small picture because GJ we have to look for the big picture than GJ. Because if we look for the small pictures, I don't think that we will get good pips. And GJ obviously doesn't work. It mostly take your stop losses. So that's why I'm looking for a bigger picture. So this is my
Good
conference.
pips. Okay.
I mean, 23 pips are good enough, but literally it's a
Bolo good
ranging area.
range. Bolo good range.
Yeah, it's a ranging area, and I believe I don't think that it should come that. And if you ask me, you can look for size from above area because it's not breaking any area. It's just moving in a range area. So I usually trade when it's either is a uptrend or a downtrend, but it's the range area market is ranging.
Yeah,
And I want market
GJ
to go.
moves nicely when it's in a trend. You can see when it's in trending, it was nice move. Right now,
Yeah,
just consolidating, so we just wait
I
for
want
a breakout.
from our trades. These are the areas from where you can look for 10 pips, 20 pips. But if you want to look for partials for 20 pips or 30 pips, which I usually give, so you have to look for the bigger picture because yeah, this is how the market works. But you can see that in. And if you want to look for the sales side, so just give me 1 second. I can give you the picture of a sales side.
But you already got a sell side order block.
Yeah. So if you are looking for the sell side, I believe you can look from here. Market should probably reject this area and should move in the down direction. But I'm actually, if you personally ask me, I'm waiting for that upper area, that upper bearish block, bearish order block that I marked. I'm waiting for that area because I personally believe that market will give a good pips. It will be around 50 to 40, 50 to 60 pips area in market consider. But if someone is looking for this area, I will say that trade or idea on. Because I trade mostly on bigger picture, not on a smaller picture. And I believe this week market is pretty much low because last week we got good pips, around 100 pips in 1 week. No, 200 pips around in 1 week on 2 trades. So I believe this week is pretty much slow. Let's hope that we can.
We got news on Thursday on GJ. I think it can move.
Yeah, we will. If there will be another volume, so I hope we will get some good. I've just marked it this area because market has to reject it. Will reject it this area.
It's about to come here in the zone. We come back to this in a second. Let's just make sure just check what gold is doing. Yep, gold is approaching the outer block zone as well. And we're just gonna wait 50 minutes for the news and then we'll see for positions. Till then, I guess we just watch this. Well, as we explained, the main trade is based off this supply zone up here or this demand zone down here. But for now, because the market's ranging, we're just gonna there's a potential small trade in between this range but it can always break out and actually hit our supply zone up here for us to take sales down later. For now, we're just gonna watch this and see if this one plays out. So it's not an actual trade, we're not taking this one. We're just gonna see if the market reacts here. Because we got news, we're not gonna enter anything right now. But we'll wait for market to react and see what it does.
Yeah, just wait for the news. I believe the trade, you will get trades after the news, not before news. Because news will affect the GBP also.
Yeah, it's
More important.
only 50 minutes left. It's already in the zone, so if anyone's taking this trade, you'll be activated by now. Let's see if the stops hold up above the auto block.
But that's not the financial data. Somebody has to take that if they can. It's just an analysis, but I'm waiting for the news. And I think if someone just want 10 pips or 12 pips, they can get it from this range. But I'm personally waiting for news. Just type in the text, not financial advice, but I'm just giving you the message. Stop loss is around 8 pips.
No, just leave it. I don't think we want to. We're not taking this trade, right? You're not taking this one.
Okay. I'm not giving a trade, but just
okay, we can just write it.
Yeah,
leave it.
Everybody wants that give us trade, give us trade. This is a trade.
Put it back on.
But I think so before news. This is actually the trade. I personally should take it, but due to the news and other reasons, I'm just waiting. As you can see, that 15 minutes is open, and I believe market should go down, but can't expect anything from news because sometimes other pairs also get affected from news before the news also.
Yeah.
So,
You can put it back on now. I put a note.
sorry?
Put the trade back on. लगा दो आप इस trade. Alright. If anyone, again, not financial advice, we're gonna wait for news. We're not taking this personally, but if there is a setup here where news can go against us and stop us out, or it can go in our favor and still move down. But we're gonna stay away from this for now. Only like 15 minutes left on the news. We're just gonna wait for it.
If someone is looking after the date, that should secure their position.
Yeah, it's already moving now nicely. Let's see if it continues. Alright, we come back to that. Let's just make sure, see what gold is doing. Let's open 15 minutes on it. Okay, yeah, gold is just struggling. It's going up, but slowly. It's a good trend up though on it. So should still be looking at a bullish possible buys.
Oh, you're looking for buy, I'm looking for sell. Too much fun.
Well, my buys will happen when your stops hit. So when
Yeah.
when the order block fails, that's where my buys are above this, above 2029. So obviously, if it doesn't close above, your sales may still be valid, and we can look at them, look for them. But it's gonna be new, so I'm guessing it's gonna react on either direction.
Yeah,
We'll
just
see.
waiting for news. Sometimes you can need trade. It doesn't mean if there is news on it.
Alright.
If
Just be careful,
somebody wants
guys.
trade out,
On news, the trade can happen very quickly, so just be ready. It will be a quick call. We might have to, depending on how the news plays, we might give it on the 1 minute. after the 1 minute closes, or will be the next trade will be at 5 minutes, or the next one will be at 15 after
Yeah,
news.
but I'll give it, but there's a trade on Giza also that has been given.
Yeah,
If
GJ we
if
already
there
showed
was
it.
who wants to take that? I
GJ we
marked the
already
area
showed.
of partial and full TP. Somebody wants to take the trade, they can take it. I'm just waiting for the news. It's better to trade on this. The market is obviously consolidating in the trades. And these are the areas. And I'm hoping that market should reflect some.
Mm.
Just open GJ, man. Gold is doing nothing.
Expecting a buy to up for 15 pips for partials.
I'm saying just open GJ for a while. 5 to 10, 6 minutes before the news, nowhere to go. Put it on 5 minutes.
Yeah, one sec. What's the other one?
Just copy this text and put it also on GJ. Okay, fine. Yeah. Just put it on 5 minutes. They're doing much better. So if someone is in the trade, and the market doesn't tell the partials or it doesn't, you have to go break even just 2 minutes before the news.
I saw the move
Yeah,
nicely. Only 6 pips to go. I would say go partials before news, yes. If it's close enough to partials, then you should probably take it before news. Better not wait for it, go break even.
and I believe 10 people are enough for trade in this area. Because I don't think so nobody is trading before the news. The world is pushing. This is what I call a range trade. It will go how much pips it go? 31 pips. 31 pips buy side. Now it is just going. So I don't think so this area is going to be. Okay. I'm just waiting for more trade on news. It's not a it's a CAD news, so I don't think so. I will give any news. Any trade on news. This time no sell so fast. This time just wait.
Mongolia.
Yeah, DJ flipping. I know because the news is around the corner and just before the news, the pairs get affected because CPI is not a small news. CPI is like a CAD CPI affects many currencies also. I was expecting if it's going down, it's going down. It's going up, it's going up. Because it's just like that. And see, it's going bullish just before the news. And you now see the reaction on downside.
No, it's okay. You can see here 5 minutes before as well. Like earlier, it has done ranging around consolidation before it
It's a
eventually
clear
went up.
area. If
We
if
can take some time.
someone if someone knows the pattern like harmonic pattern, there's a thing called harmonic. These are the pattern where we check W. Most people say the W pattern or these are harmonic pattern. So if you look on 1 minute time frame, we are getting a harmonic pattern. According to harmonic pattern, it's a sell side. There are multiple confluences, multiple things which we have to look. At the end of the day, it's the trading and it's your experience on trading. That's all. If there was no news, I should probably take the price. Not sales, but price. But I'm looking for sales from a good direction. I hope that market should be completely against. Just go break even before 2 minutes. If someone is taking the new trade, just go break even before 2 minutes. And if it's on break even, just get out
Get
before
out.
2 minutes.
Okay.
2 to 1 minute before that. Just get out.
No bad trade. It ran 9 pips. Not the worst.
Still, if someone is in the trade, they should be. If someone has taken it and they feel that they can trade before the news, these are for them.
I think it will stops to break of high.
No,
Hmm?
no. It's
No?
just an 8 pip.
You can reduce the stops by half.
8 pip close, I don't think that will trading is affected. If someone is still in the trade, just wait. Or you can trade the stop loss if you want.
1 sec.
Because 2 minutes are left. If someone has taken the trade, you can trade it. Market is rejecting the. Okay, so 2 minutes are left.
Okay, go break even, guys. Or try and close your position out around here. Okay. You should have closed it by now. Okay. You should have closed your position around here. At like a 1 or 2 pip loss. If
No,
no
no.
break even.
हाँ? क्या था ये?
हो गया ना बस सही है.
ये stop loss क्यों हो गया था?
क्लोज कराती है ना, लॉस में क्लोज हुई है।
नहीं तो ब्रेक ऑफ दी हाई पे होगा ना क्लोज
अच्छा ओके।
भाई। या
ओके इट्स डन ना।
और पर्सन ही मैं तो उसके ऊपर का भी वेट करूंगा या न्यूज़ आती है इस वजह से।
It's only 4 pips. It's calm, small trade. It worked for a bit. Maybe some people went break even earlier when it pushed down, but it's okay. We come back now. Alright, let's focus on gold now. 2 minutes left. We're gonna leave GJ for now and focus on gold. I think for gold, I'm saying this potential buys. I'm still looking at buys above closures above. I'm gonna go in 30 minutes, I think. Yeah, above this range. Basically, we're inside the order block. Looking for potential buys going up. There's a bit of a range. And let's see if the order block stays valid as well or not. You can try. Alright, 40 seconds left. Look for this as our partials. So maybe a small quick trade. Let's just see what happens. Why? News up. Not much reaction yet. We got closure above though. Okay, no bottom wick. Okay, so the price tapped our area. Now let's see if we are to reject from here or not. Now we didn't enter any buys because the 30 minute had no top wick and the next 30 had no bottom wick, which is fine. It's a news candle, but last one had no top wick. I wasn't sure, and the price literally just went into our partial area before it opened up. This is the area where we have rejected earlier, so we're just gonna wait for a 5 close, I think now. If you wait for 5 minutes now, we come back here in a sec. Let's see what the GJ did. Oh, GJ news is still valid. Our position will be still valid. Let's see if it runs down or not. Okay. Okay, good trade. It's going up. If anyone managed to get in, props to you. You should be 15 pips up at least now. I would suggest you go break even and look for partial closures soon. It is at the area of partials, I would say, but you can wait till 2031.5 to get your full partials out of it. But we just wait now. I think we wait for 5 minutes or maybe the next 15. Okay, on the 5, let me see. I think on the 5, this partial is over. You're gonna wait for closure above this, above this, above this, above. It's a good area. It's a good area. So if you get a good bottom wick, if you get a good bottom wick, we might be able to get in buys. Alright, let's see what news did. Okay, so news came worse, which is weird. Buy shadows should be gold coming down. What's Dixie doing? Yeah, Dixie pushed down, which is not what we expected. Oh, what's happening here? USD CAD, right? Okay. Right, dollar pushed up against CAD. That means gold should have come down though. Dollar getting strong. Hmm. Anyway, that's just fundamentals. Technically, we got what we needed. We have hit our partial area, 15 pips up, and 5 minutes about to close. We might see a close above. Okay, we're getting bottom wick as well. Now the problem I see is there might not be volume here. The market, I don't know, the news has not pushed that much here. If we were to take on break of high, you'd be expecting, yeah. So guys, I don't think there's enough range. Only 11 pips on break of high, but then you got spreads and whatnot. And your stops, I think, are gonna be at least 23, 24 pips. Yeah, might not be worth getting in right now. We're just gonna let this one play out. I think we come back on the 4 hour and we just wait for 4 hour to make a move.
Hello?
Hello, yeah.
Just do one thing, add 2 more symbols on the watch and mark it as add new section and write it as shallows analysis and just add gold and JPY of any broker. Doesn't matter.
No,
Forex.com will be better.
don't do two separate.
Okay? Or should I add it?
Nah, don't do two separate. Let it be. You got stop loss, right, on your zone?
You can
Okay.
clearly see how. Okay. Give me a second.
Okay, so you are rejecting here. Once again, we did not
Yeah.
enter because there was no topic. This may start coming down now. Once again,
Because this
we
is the
will
place
have
where
to
the
wait for
market
5.
is up to.
It's only 10 bits away from this stop. We could have looked for sales from there. Let's see, we wait for the 5 to close and see what it does.
Can you just mark the again mark the supply area in the 1 hour?
Yeah,
I'm
it
just
was
doing
on 1
some
hour,
other work. Yeah.
but it broke your highs, no?
No, it doesn't roll my hand. You can just wait it. No, actually, I'm changing it. Making a change. Give me a second. 1 hour supply should be around. Okay. Reason that I forgot to take that.
You broke it.
What happened? क्या हो गया भाई?
Yeah, I'll fix it.
Actually, my net has been.
Yeah, just can't wait for 5 closure and see if this potential. Actually, we'll probably wait for 15 now. A
Yeah, this
strong
is the area. Okay.
15 bearish would be nice to come down.
Okay, just give me a second.
Right now, market is just hovering. We just gonna wait. We go back to the 1 hour and just wait it out. Let's see what GJ did. GJ has successfully made a. It went back down again after our entry. It should be 7 pips in. If anyone's still in, you know, you can keep holding it now. The news has made its move already.
GG has worked perfectly. I'm not giving a trade. I'm just making some patterns. Yeah. It's not a trade. Just an area which I'm marking. Okay. Section. I believe the market should reject that area, but I'm waiting for some 15 minutes to close. Which is most similar to Honda? Is it FOREX.com?
क्यों करना चाह रहा है, रहने देना.
नहीं मैं अलग कर रहा हूँ, वो मिक्स होता है तुम्हारा पैटर्न. तुम जो करते हो बहुत अलग पैटर्न में करते हो, मिक्स
अबे
नहीं
तो
है.
ट्रेड क्या कौन सी चाहिए हम, फिर ये बता
नहीं
किसकी
तो
ट्रेड
आप दो
चाहिए.
मतलब मेरे उस पर ना मतलब मैं चार्ट बनाता हूँ, उनको डिस्टर्बेंस लगता है कि यार तुम्हारे उस पर मेरा ओवरलैप कर रहा है. I'm just guiding another ना. अच्छा इजी रहेगा, कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
चल बना तो
ट्रेड
बना,
कोई भी है
लेकिन हम देंगे कैसे ये सोचो.
मतलब.
दोनों की ट्रेड अगर बन रही हो, मैं बाय लेना चाह रहा था, तू सेल लेना चाह रहा था, इसमें किसका बनता.
मैं तो एरियाज में वेट करना था. ये ऐड क्यों नहीं हो रहा forex.com का?
मैं कर देता हूँ.
forex.com का दोनों कर दो जेबीपी अंदर.
जीजा तो है ही तेरा.
अच्छा चलिए ठीक है.
बना दिया.
अपने वहां से रिमूव कर दो, मैं यहाँ से लेता
तेरा सारा हटाना फिर.
ताकि वो इजी रहता ना.
हम्म,
हमारा बस पे लगा हुआ है.
पे जा तू जा जा. So it did get faked out here, but
सॉरी.
now I'm just analyzing gold, analyzing.
Yeah.
So wait 15. Let's wait for 15 close and then see what happens. You might be in a
Yeah.
position
I'm
for
actually
buy.
also waiting for 15 minutes.
Good area for buys. Okay, let's see. Not enough range, so not sure if you're gonna take this. But let's see how the close happens. Alright, I'm putting your chart on, you can show. And I'll be back in a minute, okay?
So yeah, I'm just waiting for the closure for market to close. This is probably area from where we can see the impulsive move. I'm just marking it. There was an impulsive. There was an impulsive move from to the downside, but I don't think so you can see on chart because the chart is not that chart. Sure, yeah. Okay, so here's the one. We'll wait for 15 minutes and hope that 15 minutes closes below 0.5 level of area. So we will look for sell, as I believe it will go for bias. The middle line, if you can clearly see, this middle line, which I am marking it, it's actually a 0.5. We can say the 0.5% of the trend. I mean, it closes above, as you can clearly see, it closes above. So I think so it will go for the buy side because market is not rejecting that area. So that is pretty much my conference. So I believe most probably market will go to the buy side, and if it goes, so it will be. I'm just waiting for either market to break this area or not. And I don't think so market will break it. It has a good momentum to go buy side. Reason is that I was 2036 and 37. As you can clearly see, that's the most strongest supply zone area, which I am gonna mark it.
Okay.
सर मार्क वॉच को बंद करके जो चार्ट है उसको थोड़ा कम कर दिया करो।
दिख तो रहा है सही है।
हाँ, देख रहा हूँ। Market is bullish. I am not looking for that now.
Okay.
Reasons are
I
simple. 15
remember
minutes.
on 31.5, there might be a sell here. There's a fib area here on the 1 hour. Yeah, there's a good chance for sells from here, but we wait for reactions. We might be able to pick up sell deeper zone, but let's see. 15 open, no bottom wick, just pushed up. 6 pips away. I might take a sell at 31.5 if there's no bottom wick. So let's just wait it out. I don't see the volume in market today either. Might be one of those days. Just leave it today. Just no volume. It's gonna take forever for the trade to play out.
Hello, anyone speaking?
Nobody here.
Working in.
Market's not moving. It's just stuck. I think the best bet will be NYC open now. If I did NYC, we might see some volume. If you don't, then I think we're gonna call it early today. After half an hour. But let's see. This 15 minutes. It tried to flip, right? It made a bottom egg, right? Let me see on 1 minute. Yeah, we made a bottom egg. And we flipped again now. So do we reject from here or not? Let's see. Is your order block still valid? Yeah, still inside. Market's just not reacting.
Okay. So everybody get ready for GG.
DJ coming up. DJ in the house.
Engage.
Oh, it pushed up.
Yeah.
Pushed up heavy.
Mark some area on GG.
Alright, in the zone now.
It is entering in the 1 hour area. But and that doesn't mean that we have to take that trade on 1 hour area. We will go on the lower time frame and wait for the confluence. And what is the confluence? I'm marking it. That will be easy for you to get. Just change your chart for now. I'm just editing something.
Huh?
Just change your chart for now. I'm editing something. Just leave it. Doesn't matter. Okay.
Gold is
So
just
this is
stuck.
my
Our buys position that we wanted to get was this, but we had no bottom egg. It made the move up, it came down, made the bottom egg, and then pushed back up. And the next 15 did the same, had no bottom egg, pushed up, it came down, made the bottom egg, and now it's pushing back up. So there's a chance somebody can get in these buys, but I'm personally gonna stay away from this. Gonna wait for a better position. I think when the 4 hour closes in just 6 minutes, we might have a position. But we'll see where the 4 hour closes. I think 4 hour closes, yeah, it's the same zone, 20, 30. It's a good area. Closure above, we might have some buys.
okay. Trade given.
Okay, the trade is up.
Slide on GG. Just marking the partial in other areas. Share Telegram. You can go.
Yeah.
Partial के areas में अंदर. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So नीचे को दिखा दो अपना कम नीचे दिखा.
Okay, partials around. I'll change this to point. Yeah. 188.38. 39. Looking decent. 20 pips partials. Alright. Okay, guys, everyone, this is a trade here. We can explain what happened, why we're taking this trade. We still have not entered yet. Just waiting on position to get activated.
Manage your risk.
MT पे तो डाल दो.
I have marked everything, man. Fast.
Okay. It should be getting activated soon enough here. So trade is based off the supply zone here on the 1 hour. It's based off the 1 hour supply zone. We're just gonna wait it out now and see if we can get a potential position here.
Yep, either.
Okay, yeah, the order has been placed as well on our terminal. So you can see on the bottom of the screen, we started a new $1,000 account. It's a demo account, but we're gonna show you all the trades that we take here, and you can
Manage
just
your
follow
risk.
along. It is on BlueberryMarkets, and the link is in the description for them. But we still haven't got activated yet, so you're gonna wait for activations there. And we might see some potential gold position as well. But again, 2.5 minutes left, we're gonna wait it out. How's the 4 hour on GJ? It's not bad. Yeah, 4 hours isn't bad. You will expect a bottom wick anyway, even if it wants to go up. And partials in a good position really. So let's wait.
रुक जाना चलना.
कौन सा टाइम फ्रेम पे लाओ?
I am 15 minutes. Doesn't matter. 15 minutes much better. Just open the 15 minutes. Okay. And open the another tab, and on another tab open the gold if you want to see.
तो ऐसे हो जाएगा उसमें क्या? We can open another one.
And it's not in the trade.
Open new window. Okay, we can leave this at 15. Let it play out. Let's see what gold does. We're about to close. We'll remove the screen now. So we are getting closure above. We're potentially getting closure above. I don't know if you want to above this maybe. No, I think bottom is okay. 20, 29. Yeah, around this is good. Okay, close up. Now let's see a bottom wick. Now where should we see a bottom wick? There's a lot of ranges here. We have closed below this one.
Stop loss should be marked according to your spreads. So please look after your spreads.
I think we can wait for gold. We might see a buy soon, just not yet. Probably want to see a bottom wick around 29. Yeah, yeah, it's looking bottom wick around here. Yeah, this is good. Bottom wick here. It's a good zone. We're just gonna wait for bottom wick. We have made a bottom wick. Now let's see if we flip. Okay, we might be getting into buys here. Still haven't got activated in GJ. Still waiting on GJ. Haven't got activated yet. I think this is not updating. I think this was 6. He did. What would be a bummer if the position runs from here, only 1.5 pip away from our entries. But we still haven't got enter. On GJ. On Go, we are looking for a potential buy soon. Just not quite yet. Nothing has formed yet. I like that the 4-hour has pushed down with no topic at all. I think there's a good chance it might flip. We might take a buy here to go up. Because it has no topic, but we had no topic here either. We usually don't have much topics to come down. We just wait it up.
Just open the JJ for a minute. You are giving some buy stops.
Oh?
Any trade on board?
Not yet.
Okay, just open the JJ.
You can take a buy now, but it might be a bit risky. I'm just gonna wait for some better confluence. Let's see what 5 minutes doing. 5 minutes has no bottom wick. That's nice. I think if it ripped down, then flip bullish, I want a steeper bottom wick though. I want a steeper bottom wick. We flip bullish, we might be in the buy stop here. Because 4 hour has no topic. So if it wants to go down, I would expect some kind of topic for it to push down. About to flip, haven't flipped yet. I would love to see better bottom wick. So let's see. Still flip, but it did not run yet. Let's see what GJ. Yeah, GJ stuck in the range, struggling. Price. Yeah, volume today is not that good. Been a bit quiet one. Okay, we are pushing down. That is good. 5 is trying to break. Okay, I'm just marking this out. If we get this trade, we'll be looking for 4-hour highs. It's not a bad trade here. Alright, let's see.
Yeah, I just created the chart for GJ, the reason why I took the trade. You can watch it. Just
Still haven't got
concise
entry,
it.
right?
Just
Wait,
concise
wait.
it.
Gold moved, gold moved. Gold. So we missed the entry now. I think gold moved. Okay, everyone, I think should be in buys. We're gonna wait for 5 to close. We might see some buys up. Hopefully a little bottom wick and we can get in buys. We got bottom wick. What do you think, Shadows? Decent plan? Or our
You
has
want
no
to
top wick?
buy?
I'm looking for buys here. We haven't broke the highs here, but I'm thinking With the wick 5 close below the range, I feel I can go down, so might be best to wait this one out. Right, we broke the highs. Did not get in yet, but the trade was there. It should just fill up now. I wasn't sure on volume, but this was the trade. We'll be aiming for 4-hour highs up here and the stop loss here. So if anyone did enter, you will be partials around here. But did not enter on this trade yet.
Yeah, just close one tab. Just operate from one tab. Just close it. So you are taking the GJ buy, gold buy.
I did not take these, but that was a position I wanted to get in. But I missed the entry. I think it's too late now.
Oh, you should have taken them.
And I wasn't sure this 5 close below range. It can still reject.
वो हटा दो ना मेरी हटा दो अगर ट्रेड नहीं है तो नहीं है बाय ऑफ सेल्स
Yeah,
ऑफ
this
दैट्स
one.
नथिंग फैंसी यार ये है ये नहीं ले ले नहीं ले ले
It's fine. We wait for 15 close. If 15 doesn't flip here, there's a chance we still keeps coming down next 15. So that will be the 4-hour flip, and I'm not sure if we want to be in. Okay, we have flipped. Did we flip on the 15? We have flipped on the 15. Okay, I like the 15 grab orders here. Now we definitely want to see a bullish close on 15, maybe a strong a bit. Leave a top wick, and I think we might see some buys up. The range has been taken though. It has taken up the range. Wick fill has been done though. Anyway, good trade whoever picked this one up. Your partials have been hit. You should be up 15 pips. We wanted to see this, but with the way 5 closed below, I wasn't sure if it's gonna run up. But 4-hour has is breaking highs right now, and we should see 2031.5 getting tapped. Only 6 pips. I don't think there's a trade for us here yet.
Okay, so मैं GGX में थोड़ी एंट्रीज को शफल करूं because I yes
Looks like GJ rejected without entering us in yet.
I'm just moving a entries.
Okay,
So
I'm gonna update it.
just waiting for 15 minutes to create a topic. Just make it a 1 hour chart. Zyada easy.
Mm. So if this was any other day, I wouldn't have taken these buys because it grabbed all the orders here and closed bullish.
I've trade low, so फिर the buy stop cover, that's it. Nothing done. I'm a buy stop now.
There's a good few trades here, just not enough volume to justify me taking them yet. But it's about to flip 15. Once 15 flips, it should go up. It should fill up. It should definitely fill your 20, 31 area. But let's wait. Let's see what GJ is happening though. We might see some potential
हटा
GJ
दो
sell.
please.
नहीं.
Just remove it from Telegram group. Telegram group delete करो.
पर लिख दे.
मैं रीजन देखूंगा. लाइव का तरीका लगा.
Okay, so everyone, the trade has been cancelled on GJ for now. We'll wait for potential more confluences or a different entry now. But the trade has been invalidated.
Yeah, just open the GG. Sell stop on the break up.
GJ sell stops.
कुछ है तुमने sell stop लिखा है? अबे बाय stop sell stop कहाँ लिखेगा?
कहाँ लिखा मैंने?
It's clear a template for sell stop.
GJ का नहीं, मैंने stop लिखा ही नहीं है. लिखा हुआ है.
There are buy stop.
हाँ, वही बाय स्टॉप कॉपी करके बना ले सेल स्टॉप. सेव कर दे, नीचे कर देना सेल स्टॉप को, वर्ड को.
Okay. Sell stop on the break up. ये ना लाइव के साथ थोड़ी बहुत करनी होगी. बाय लिमिट सेल लिमिट बाय इसमें ना थोड़ा मुश्किल. आपको जब मैं ट्रेड देंगे. इसलिए अलॉट देता हूँ. आगे इसमें सेल लिमिट आपने क्या एंट्री लिया सेल लिमिट?
कुछ भी नहीं लिया.
मैंने डिलीट कर दिया वाला डिस्क्रिप्शन. सॉरी.
डिलीट हुआ दिखा रहा मुझे.
ओके.
आई जो टर्मिनल पे नंबर डाल रहा है, ये नंबर डाल देना टेलीग्राम पे. सेम बात हो गई, आसान हो गया. लेकिन तुम्हारे एरिया में आ रहा वापस, वहां से नहीं लेना चाह रहे.
आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर eventually if it's breaking its high I believe it should go. But there's a very strong leading. Yeah, okay, the trade stays.
Ah, alright, 10 minutes. NYC, hopefully some volume on gold. On GG, I think still waiting for potential. Same trade.
Yeah, ये पाँच लाख का तुमने सही मान नहीं करा है।
बाबा चेंज कर यार, तूने यही लगाया था दूसरी लाइन।
मैंने दो पाँच लाख लगे।
हाँ तो पहले वाली हटी हुई है। तो ये ट्रेड रखनी है वापस हैं?
या
तो वो कैंसिल क्यों कराई साले?
मैंने कैसे नहीं बोला, मैंने बोला था वेट करना, सजेस्ट और देखते हैं बिकॉज मार्केट ऊपर नहीं आ रही है ना, वांटेड मार्केट के ऊपर।
एमटी भी नहीं लगाया। सही तो है पार्शल।
दो एरिया था उनके दरमियान पार्शल करो, they should always be in the partials will be like 188.39 from how was it dash 188.93.
लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे।
Just wait it if market comes to that area.
Okay, let's see what's gold doing. 15 came down, made a bottom wick. It might flip again. I think it's struggling to go up. It is struggling right now. But I think when it breaks this 1 hour lows, so before hour lows, it might push down further down. Like, there's a potential for it to come down. But for buy side, it's just struggling right now. It's not able to break. The news didn't do much today. We're gonna come tomorrow now. Tomorrow is no news either. I think market will move Thursday. There's quite a few news on Thursday. Hopefully market's able to move a bit. But that will be it for today, I think. It's just not gonna move. So we're gonna wait for GJ. Potential GJ position. What's this white line?
Yes, put the 30 minutes chart on 1 hour, you will get an idea. I have created the area why I have created 1 hour, 1 hour.
Oh, impulse move.
1 hour, not a 4 hour, 1 hour. Yeah. So the reason is you can clearly see that there's an impulsive move in the market from an area. There's an impulsive move, and we can see that after that market rejected that area, and if we look after the dollar sign, you can mark the dollar sign. I'll show you why is the dollar sign. So if you can clearly see the dollar sign, that's the buy side liquidity which market has free. And after that, you can see there's a big fair value gap, and above that there's a supply zone and an order block. So I believe market should retrace it, and market is retracing. But on a lower time frame, you can clearly see that there's a 15-minute bearish order block. So I marked that on a 15-minute. If you can go to the 15-minute, you can clearly see that on a 15-minute there's an order block which is marked. So yeah, this is order block which I have marked because it has swept the previous liquidity. So I believe that's a strong area. The market should reject from this area. But if market also rejected, that means it is rejecting from 1 hour supply area. But I believe it should just tap into the order block, and after that, we should get a partial and full TP, I believe. Because the area where I have marked the full TP is the area from where we can see a buy side area, because it's a strong area for the buy side. It's just demand flow. So I hope tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, I will get the buy side opportunity. But right now, this is a selling opportunity. Someone wants it, so just put your sell limit and wait patiently to market to either touch your partials, a full TP, or your stop loss. So this is the perfect setup for the supply and demand area. You can clearly see that. So yeah, just open the 15-minute chart, and yeah, it's a 15-minute chart. So just expand it and wait. Or if there's one gold trade, just market is again rejecting. Why is it not touching? Well, sure, you can move to gold.
Mm,
Hello. Maybe share is sleeping.
I heard you.
Just okay, just expand.
Gold altogether since we came on stream has only moved like 30 pips. So, do you understand when we say there's no volume? Just likely no trades. Now 2 minutes left. I don't think NYC will bring a lot of volume, but if any volume comes, we will see. We might be able to pick up a direction. Let's see if what direction NYC takes. If it breaks highs, we might see a bullish direction. If it breaks lows, we might see a push down further down. Fill the range and maybe just close bearish on the 4 hour. And who knows, the daily might flip, which is our target right now on the daily flip on the sells, because last daily closed below the range. So there's a chance this one can flip down, but I don't think there's enough volume for it to flip. But anything can happen in this market, right? So we're just gonna wait for a better understanding. Just gonna wait for 1 minute now. Let's see if there's a volume. We might be in some positions. डीजे पे लॉट बढ़ा दिए. Hello Habibi, hello. Okay, NYC open. 30 did close bearish. 15 closed bearish as well with no top wick. So I think a top wick on the last 15 will be good for it to push down. We wait. Let's see what this 1 hour is gonna do now. There is no top wick, so we're not gonna enter in any sells right now. But yeah, we're just gonna wait it out. So GJ, I think is gonna be a slow one. It's gonna take some time, but I think we're gonna leave it open for, I mean, through the day. Whenever it gets activated, will get activated. You should join our Telegram for any trade updates. We'll post any updates on there if we were to close partials early or go break even early or something. We'll give you updates in Telegram. Link is in the description.
तो क्या बंद करोगे स्ट्रीम?
Not yet.
हैं?
बता रहा हूँ, हाँ थोड़ी देर में बंद कर रहा हूँ भाई, कुछ नहीं हो रहा.
हाँ, कहीं आना है?
नहीं,
तो फिर
move your market.
अभी
15 close. 15 broke the lows, but has no topic yet, so we will wait. It's about to break his 30 lows. But I think if it breaks up and makes a topic for previous 15, we might see a bullish move up. But yeah, gonna wait it out. 30 is about to break with no topic.
स्ट्रीम बंद क्यों कर रहा हूँ?
अबे क्या करना है बैठ के?
आधा यार
आओ गेम खेलता है.
वॉच टाइम बढ़ाना अपना.
तो गेम खेलता है. वॉच टाइम मेरे को देखे दो. तो मैं ही तो देख रहा हूँ अपनी स्ट्रीम्स.
टाइम लिमिट हिट हो गई है. जस्ट ओपन द कीजिए.
Okay, GJ, I think we have been activated. Not yet, not yet. Almost 1 pip. Still hasn't activated us. तो कैसे करूँ मैं? ये छोटा करना होगा ना थोड़ा.
रिमूव द वॉच लिस्ट.
Okay.
मार्केट में बाकी में आज कोई वॉल्यूम नहीं था, तो इट वाज अ प्री लंदन वॉल्यूम.
Yeah, London moved today. We had some decent move in London. I was looking at Asia yesterday for gold buys on the lows where the daily made the bottoming. I was actually looking for buys from there. So there will have been good buys there. But I didn't want to stay up all night to manage the position. I had to go to bed, so I didn't bother with it.
Watching going on.
It was a good.
Just wait for GJ to get some.
Yeah, you're about to enter in GJ. It's almost close.
Just mark it as a sell limit. That will be pretty much easy.
It's gonna be our first trade since like the last 4 days now. But we had a weekend in between. We had no trades yesterday. It was bank holiday. The market was just not moving. Even today, it's not moving much. I think GJ will tap us in soon enough. It still hasn't.
Wherever I've entered into your trade, just let us know.
Yeah, it's in now.
Because yeah,
Okay.
we are in the trade, so you can clearly see.
So mine got activated. I think everyone's going activated here. So we're just gonna let it play out. Stop sitting at only 17 pips. But we wait now. It might take a bit of time for the push down. Gold also is just moving down with no topic. We just want to stay bearish. It was a good zone for sales.
Just open the GJ on a 15-minute chart. That will be
15 minute.
Yeah. And in meantime, you can look after the bull.
No, gold is just no moves. No topic on 30. We just gonna have to wait. Have to wait for 1 hour close. But I think there will be no trades today, guys.
Yeah, just can you move the
Look
screen?
at this. There's a lot of volume right now in this last 5 minutes. That's NYC open. We will wait. We wait for 15 close or something for potential positions. What you wanna do?
Just move a screen a little bit to left side. Yeah, and just enlarge the buy side and sell side.
What this?
Yeah. And on a 15-minute, are we on 15-minute?
Yeah. Oh no.
No, sorry. Is it pretty much on left side? Can you move it to the right?
This
No, other side, other side. Yeah, something like that.
अबे तो दिखेगा नहीं.
नहीं नहीं, देखने की बात नहीं है, थोड़ा सा ना दिखाएं, थोड़ा चार्ट्स तो तुम। हाँ सही है, थोड़ा चार्ट दिखाए ना तो पता तो चला एंट्री कहाँ से ली थी।
Okay, just waiting for positions.
मीन टाइम पे चीजें खोल लिया, वो गोल्ड खोल लिया, फिर बस चार्ट के सीधा है।
We already in ginger right now, guys. We already entered in. You guys can see it on the bottom of the screen. We have entered at 189.69. Well, I have entered at 189.69. That was my entry. Everyone do your own analysis. It cut the commissions from the trade already. Showing the balance. $3.5. Actually, not 3.5.
गोल्ड में चला छोड़ दी।
4.
What's happening with the gold side?
We can look. Gold, I don't think is doing much yet. Still waiting. 30 has not flipped yet to make a top pick, and it might not make it now. With the way it broke the lows to go down, I think 1 hour will definitely stay bearish. I don't think 1 hour will flip.
So can you just open the chart on?
We might see a push down till 2025 areas now. So we might
just
see
put a chart on a 4 hour.
Yeah, 4 hour as well.
You can clearly see the rejection area.
Yeah, 4 hour rejected off here. It has also broke the previous high, so it has grabbed orders. So it's got orders to go down, but we don't know exactly if it will actually break the previous 4 hour low or not. I still think we need a lot of volume for it to do that, but it's definitely coming down. It's making its way down slowly. We're just gonna have to wait. I think for gold, it might just be it today. I don't think I will look for any position. There is no topic on 30, and 1 hour in. If 1 hour closes bearish, I still think it might close above range. It might close expecting. It's just a choppy area now with no volume. I will not trust it. But we already in some sells on GJ, so we just watch those.
Are you saying hello?
पहले बोला.
Habibi, how's our English?
I don't know. Is Habibi still here in the chat? Or do we call them Pip and Dippers?
So what everybody is expecting from this chart, I have actually waited so much patiently to give the trade. I have put it a sell stop, then I again move. But at the end I was stuck, then no, this is my trade. So the reason is mentioned already on 15 minutes. I have explained why I have given the reason. Share, just I am explaining the chart, so we can record that thing. Okay, so that will be much easier. Okay.
Yeah,
So I'm asking you for 30 to move the chart to the 1 hour. Okay. Now remember the time. It's 7:40 over here. Just show me the complete chart for impulsive move and everything. Yeah. This is the yeah. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. I'm using brush now. So now you will remember. Okay. So just give me 1 second. I'm just doing. So yeah. As everybody. Now just briefly explaining why I'm feeling this way. Even either it will hit a stop loss or a take profit. I don't manage, that's a trade. But the reason why I've given the trade is the perfectly reason is that the circuit which I have mentioned is the supply area. As you can clearly see, it is a supply area from where you can see an impulsive move to the downside. I marked the impulsive move, as you can clearly see that. This is the impulsive move which I have marked. And you can clearly see that market has created an impulsive move. Then we see that market move in the upside direction. After the impulsive move, it makes a retracement. And after that, it consolidated, which is perfectly, we can see that it is consolidating over here, this area. Okay, as you can see that. After that, we can see that it's a buy side liquidity and there's a sell side liquidity over here. This is a sell side, which I'm going to mark from, give me 1 second. I'm just going to mark it from here. As you can see that there's a sell side liquidity. Look. So the reason for this trade is it's perfectly aligned that we can see that there's a fair value gap over here. This is the fair value gap, which we can see that we have a fair value gap. And it's a news break, but I believe there's a fair value gap which we got. And above that, we can clearly see that there is a 1 hour order block. Okay, there's a 1 hour order block which we can say the supply zone and each and everything. We can clearly see that. And that was the reason why I have taken the trade. This was the area, and I believe the market should reject from here, and it should go down because there's already a demand zone over here, if you can clearly see that. And this is the demand area, which everybody can see that. And I expect market right now to reject this area and just move like this. This is what I'm expecting right now from market. It's my personal point of view. Reason I have put the full TP over here is exactly the reason I wanted market from you. And this is all. And why I took the trade, it's if you can clearly see, it's a 1 hour supply. And the reason to take the trade, if we can move to the 15 minute, we can clearly see that we can clearly see that on the back side there's an order block on the 15 minute. As obvious, that reason to trade is from higher time frame to lower time frame, and you can clearly see that this is the area of the order block. I have just tapped in the area of order block, and you can clearly see that market has tapped in, and I'm now expecting market to be a bearish. If it's break this level, that doesn't mean my setup was wrong. Please, the market is rejecting. There's a lot of volume from which market is rejecting. But personally, analysis and my experience is telling me that market should reject this area and market should tap this area, and after that it should move up. It's a clear indication, and that's the reading which I have applied, and I believe this is my teaching right now for you. The reason how I took the trade. This is all I have to say. Yeah. So let's just wait for the trade to either hit a stop loss or a take profit. Yeah. Done.
Did you get this up?
You can speak the English now.
इंग्लिश की माँ बहन कर दी
मैंने No.
Alright, let's see go. Did we push down? We have pushed down as expected. With no topic, it broke lows and just kept continuing down.
Always.
1 hour has done what I expected it to do. I think next 1 hour breaking lows, it will continue down, but it's already near our range. I don't see me sitting here for the next 2-3 hours in a trade. But let's see. I would prefer, if you want to take any sells, let's see where it closes. 40 minutes. I definitely need to see a sell below here, but I think better closure might be below this. Yes, there's a lot of range, a lot of choppiness in the area. Yeah, it's gonna be a hard one, guys. It's gonna be a tough one to take with no proper direction in the market right now. But I think that'll be a 4-hour lows as well. That's nice. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna wait for sales below, a closure below this on the 1 hour. if we see that and we get our other confluences, like we get a topic on the next one, and on the lower time frame we probably see some kind of topic break of high, so we get some orders to come down. So we might see a position. But for now we're just waiting. But I'll give it another 15 minutes. Let's see what the hour does. But then we might call it a stream.
Just open the GJ chart.
Hmm?
Open the GJ chart, man.
Mine?
Is this,
Your man?
we have already given the trade for GJ, so just open it and see how the market is on 15. Yeah. Just let it be like this and just wait. Whatever happens after that, we will be off. फिर मैं भी ऑफ कर रहा हूँ.
क्या बोला?
अभी ऑफ कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं.
इधर पार्शल तो यहाँ कुछ हुआ तो फिर ऑफ कर देता हूँ.
अबे,
Already one trade has been.
that's why.
Let's see what happens.
And gold made a big move down.
What are the spreads on BlackBerry?
It's blueberry.
Blueberry.
My spreads are sitting at about 1 pip. 1/2 a pip. Yeah,
Still
around
off
8.
10.
It keeps going around 7 and 10 basically, which is 1 pip. 10 is 1 pip.
Market is just saying to me that shallows, I'm going against you. I'm going against you.
It's an
Again.
area. It's gonna take some time.
Because shallows has an habit stand against that bank. To take a trade against the bank. That's just weird. There's nothing left on the gold, I believe. Yeah, sure, you talk. I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Talky talk.
Yeah, talk to yourself.
See you.
Yep, just put some music.
Yeah, music's on. But anyone in chat, anyone got questions? Happy to answer. I can explain the trade if you need to know. It is a basic supply and demand trade with a bit of confluence.
Anybody?
Everyone's gone.
Where everyone's over.
Finish.
Yeah, well, the market is pretty much slow, so I believe no one will be seeing. How's the trading going right now? Actually, I'll be back again after 5 minutes.
You back in it. You back in it.
Yeah. Okay, you are not putting song. Have you put any music? Just put the music, no?
चल
So
तो
it
रहा
will
है
be much
background.
easy. And just put the text on the trade that trade is on. So it will be much easy for.
तो background में चल तो रही है गाने.
Oh yeah. So just put the music that trade is on. Or trade activated, something like that.
तो दिख रहा है लोगों को.
I have something good. I have something better. You don't have to do.
म्यूजिक क्या बोल रहा है? गाना एक्चुअल प्रॉपर म्यूजिक कह रहा है. ड्रिपिंग
No,
लगाना है. अभी कहाँ ड्रिप हो रहा है साले? 7-8 मिनट हुआ है. ड्रिपिंग.
after the partial hit, the trading level. If the partial hit, okay? So everybody who was on the trade with me, if anybody has taken the trade, we are pretty much in good. I believe it's more than 10 pips. Yeah, it's 15 minutes already. So who was still on with me in this trade? As you can see, I'm just using 0.3 as a lot size.
पूछा मैंने.
Okay. No respect for me. Okay.
Respect. We are breaking lows.
Yeah.
Gold is that. Gold is that. Gold is no trade for me. I'm gonna
Gold is
go.
not there. Gold is
No positions.
on ventilator.
I don't want to risk 20-30 pips just to grab 10 pips in this consolidation
No,
market.
actually, gold is on the ventilator.
Ventilator, yeah, that's right. It's got a stroke. It's in coma right now.
Sure, that's a good way. I get an idea.
Mm,
Whenever there's no trade, just put gold is on coma and
coma.
add some emoji. But
Gold in
much easier.
coma. Is gold in coma?
Yeah. Just put some any emoji or anything that will attract people, man. They will
Yeah.
like, okay,
Let's find one.
gold is in coma. It's on ventilator. Okay, just give me 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm back.
Back from the
So how is
grave.
it?
Oh,
Yeah,
oh, it's
properly.
going. Oh, volume. Oh,
What? Gold is streaming. Can you
uh,
put the emoji?
gold is volume as well. Gold जाग
Yeah,
गया,
just put
कॉमा
the.
से जाग गया. Oi, 3 p.m. Is there news? Yeah, there is a yellow folder, right? Why is it moving on yellow folder? Gold में volume आ गया. Let's see. Will we get our partials now?
No, can you put the dripping emoji? It shadows in your
ना.
emoji. It's emoji. Nobody know. I don't know the meaning exactly, so nobody takes it on its heart that you don't. So dripping means drip. Put the music of DJ.
We might come back to GJ. This might be position gold. Opening new tab. Look, gold 30-minute has grabbed orders. We let it flip once, and we might take a position from there. Let's see.
Man, just put the DJ back on.
Man, GJ crashed. It's gone plus.
DJ will be like 100 pips. Please, DJ, go 100 pips
100
without
pips.
anything.
No volume 100
This
pips.
15-minute conversation should create 100 wick. That will be the record.
1 week down and then just retrace the whole thing back up. Close bullish. Alright, we're moving nicely. I think our partials will be sitting at about 30 pips.
30 pips.
Beautiful. It
Yeah,
should hit our partials.
just security partials if we can.
कितने?
Okay, I mean, do nothing.
Okay.
Do nothing. Yeah, this one will be controlled.
It's going, guys, nicely.
If it hits the partial, just let me know.
I think we can definitely hold with longer partials now. But 30 pips, we secure those. Then we wait for the second partial hit.
If it hits. The reason to take the trade on, not the reason, the pips, the balance that I have used, that trader have used is you can see the volume is 0.3 log. It's for those people who don't have that much of balance and they want to trade on a lower. So just for them, it's for them basically that you can make your $1,000 wallet into 2,000. You just need patience and everything. We don't have. We were just behaving like it should hit the stop loss, but it has gone to the partial because we believe in our setups. Even if it's a stop loss, that doesn't mean we will get hyped or we will be like, no, we should change our setup. It's all about the mindset, and you just have to stick to your trading. What we can say, trading criteria, the way you trade. Yeah. How many pips have you made?
So far on this trade, we're running at about 27.
Yeah. So if someone has to, no, nobody. Dripping. Why my logo is different from your logo in
What?
dripping?
It's fire emoji.
Fire logo, yeah. It's
तूने
quite
डाला.
different. Mine is like real time fire. Yours is like sasta fire.
तू सस्ता.
No, you sasta.
Okay, let's add the trade in. Today is 20th.
Man, just let it hit the partial first.
It's okay, we can enter the trade at least. Do you know what time we entered? We entered on this, which is 1 minute बाद 34 2:34. इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग बनानी है ये जो मेरी स्क्रीन है?
No. Yeah, obviously when it will hit the partials.
अच्छा पार्ट होगा, मैं इंग्लिश में बोलूँगा, ठीक है जो करना
No,
है।
no, not exactly the recording, but it will be a mute recording.
नहीं, मैं आई थिंक बोलता है ताकि आए, आवाज़ आएगी। ऐसे ही
तो
बनता है ना
बोल,
शॉर्ट। पार्ट जब आएगा मैं
not that,
बोलता हूँ, तो चुप रहिए।
not बोल, मैं नहीं बोलूँ।
वही कह रहा हूँ, मैं बोलता हूँ, मैं बोलूँगा। कितने लॉट कम करना है? पोजीशन कितनी मंग करोगे, हाफ या 80?
Around 80%.
हाँ, क्लोज 80 सही है।
And on second partial, 15%.
हिट होने दे।
Just write it on the partial, that will be much easy.
ओह, गोल परफेक्टली वही कर रहा है जो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ। Damn, order grabbed. It wants to come down now. रेंज है क्या?
Yeah, man.
19 पिप की रेंज है। नहीं ले रहा मैं आज, नहीं ले रहा गोल, लेकिन 1 आवर यार, 1 आवर बाप, 1 आवर अभी ट्रेड मिस हो गया है ऑनेस्टली। अगर लेनी होती ना तो लेनी चाहिए थी। 8 पे दूर है एंट्री से, पर मैंने खुद ही नहीं लिखा वो।
Yeah, gold just go, GJ just go down, man.
अबे अपने इमोजी में स्पेस तो छोड़ दिया कर।
भाई दूसरे वाले partial में mention कर दो 15%, close 15%.
अबे जो बाकी की पोजीशन का 15 होगा सिर्फ, तो क्लोज ही और 50% होता है।
Okay.
वहाँ तक
अगर
जाए
वापस
तो।
ऊपर आ जाए तो फिर भी ना बोलते।
नहीं तो हम क्यों लिख रहे हैं, मर्जी है लोगों की, उनको जितने क्लोज करना है।
हाँ सही बात है, partial तो मैं अपने साथ
तो अपनी मर्जी तो करे। हाँ, मैं हटा रहा हूँ।
क्लोज 80% हटा दो, partial एकदम। What the fuck GJ is reacting like this, man?
DJ wants to flip। जाएगा जाएगा, तरफ टाइम में लगी रहा
हाँ
तुरंत
देखो,
देता है।
1 minute is flagging.
34 234 पे एंटर हुआ है ना? 230 या
690.
न्यूयॉर्क गोल्ड क्या हुआ?
अब buy GJ, it's not gold.
हाँ, DJ सेल लाइन डिमांड वीक एंट्री ऑन द 1 आवर का सप्लाई डिमांड है ना? One hour solid, man, don't worry. And let's wait for this.
Just go break even on the trade.
Hmm. came only 2 pips away from partials.
I'm just saying, just go break even. If it has to come up, I believe it will grow the highs and a bit.
1 hour is good. Yeah, I might that you push up.
Yeah, actually 1 hour, okay. So I believe 1 hour is creating the top.
Break even तो कर लेता है I think. Huh? There's 13 pips there, 1 break of high. Let's wait. 2 pip थे partial से सिर्फ.
Should we go break even?
Wait कर.
Okay.
ये 5 के नीचे बंद होगा तो ठीक है. Break even I think कर देंगे. Yeah, let's just go break even everyone. Secure the position, go risk free.
And whoever wants to secure their partial, they can secure it right now. Because it's for everyone who wants to secure. But let's just do break even right now on that trade. The partials are perfectly aligned. I believe it should. Yeah. Going break even. नहीं ये वाली मत डालो until unless partial में तो break even ना पहली लंबे वाली में
रहने दे
यार
भाई.
just wait maybe वो थोड़ा सा फिर आगे के नीचे है because 5 minutes doesn't have any bottom wicks so I believe
तो उनका लॉस कराना चाह रहा है.
no just put your stop loss to break even that's it nothing else
तो वही तो लिखा है ब्रेक इवन करने को.
yeah okay मेरा problem sorry
और क्या लिखा है?
but still we are dreaming there was a 27 pips trade and hoping to get partials. Whoever wants to secure their 15 pips, market is still in the 15 minute pips profit. Whoever wants to secure it, just secure it right now. Be with me.
Yeah.
We will get partials. This is how I trade, man.
Let's look at gold. It's struggling still. 1 hour was fighting to push down. Yeah, no trade on gold, guys. I think we're gonna call it a stream soon. Let's see. Hopefully our partials hit now. But we wait for another 15 minutes here.
Yeah, hopefully.
Let's see if the next 15 will push. I think as long as it closes below, it's still a solid trade. We just keep holding it.
Just like every live, if you can see everyone on the live, so will we give the trade around 15 pips or 20 pips? Maximum 20 pips as the partial because they think that we should secure it. But I usually give the partial around 30 pips depending upon the. But I still believe market should be bearish. So just be with me on the break even. Market should reject this area again and then should push down.
Right, I think we might hit break even soon. Price is pushed up out of nowhere. 15 minutes had no bottom make. It closed below as well, below this recent range, recent support. Just decided to push straight up. But let's see if the next 15 can push us back down or not. Or next 5, I mean. But we are very close to break even. Remember, control your spreads, break even according to your spreads. You can see at the bottom of the screen my SL right now, where my break even point right now is 189.679. So we can adjust for spreads and for commissions as well. But this is nice. 500 has made a top pick. We just wait.
Yeah.
So I've hit break even on my broker. On the trading, you still hasn't quite hit the break even. So if you sell in, you sell in. It might just hit it now. It's breaking the highs now. But it was a good trade, guys. I guess our partials were a bit too low. This zone is still valid, as you can see here. We have seen a bit of consolidation in the area before eventually it pushed down. So it doesn't mean it will push down now. It can push down still. Maybe it will take a few more hours, maybe tomorrow. So we come back tomorrow now for a potential sells. Again, gold has not done any much, hasn't done much since we came on. It hasn't moved much. Like we literally started the day around here, right? What, it's done like 30-40 pips up and down. Like it just not done anything. It's just not enough range to pick up any trades there. On GJ we're still on, well, trading we're still on. So if you guys sit in, I hope everyone's break even on this trade, because now if it breaks highs, it might wanna push up and get you SL anyway. So be break even at this point, and well, we'll just come back. Hopefully we can grab another sell tomorrow on GJ, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye.